So, Hazy Galaxy Dentures are basically marketed as an affordable and convenient way to improve the appearance of your smile without going through the cost of traditional dental work. But there are a few things I'd be careful about before buying. The biggest issue is fit. Dentures aren't one size fits all, and something that looks convincing in an advertisement may not fit securely or comfortably in your mouth, which can affect eating, speaking, and your gums. I'd also be cautious about claims that these can replace professionally fitted dentures. Cosmetic dental products may improve appearance, but that doesn't necessarily make them suitable for long-term everyday use. So, are Hazy Galaxy Dentures worth buying? I'd check the materials, sizing process, independent reviews, and return policy very carefully before spending your money. Overall, when it comes to something you're putting in your mouth, comfort, fit, and safety matter much more than how convincing the marketing looks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.